Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we had this big engulfing move to the downside, as you can see. That could possibly be signifying that we are going to actually not have the end of a correction, and this possibly could even go down and take out these lows right here. We do need to be a little bit cautious with that analysis because the US dollar is definitely still in a downtrend, which means we better pay attention to these Fibonacci retracement levels. If we get a Fibonacci bounce and a nice break of structure to the upside on shorter time frames, we probably should go back to looking for longs and shorts on the dollar itself. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, zooming out a little bit. Now we did have what looks like a possible end of a correction right here. But if this does go up and if it does start to break and hold above this structure, I would definitely stop looking for shorts. I would definitely exit any shorts that I potentially could be in, and I would probably go back to looking for longs because, like I said, the weekly time frame trend is definitely up. The US dollar trend is definitely still down, and as always, the trend is normally your friend, and you're way better off trading in the direction of the higher time frame trends. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.